The 2018 Odyssey marks the introduction of Honda's newest infotainment system, and in every trim except for the base LX it's crisply rendered on an 8.0-inch touchscreen display. Boasting a customizable layout of menu tiles that can be dragged and dropped to different locations, the new system is light years better than the outgoing models and includes Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Odyssey Elite comes with an in-car PA system that broadcasts through the vehicle's speakers as well as any headphones connected to the Elite's standard rear seat entertainment system. With onboard Wi-Fi enabled through a 4G LTE data connection, passengers can stream video, iHeart Radio, Spotify, and the like through the ceiling-mounted 10.2-inch flip-down display. Rear seat occupants can even keep an eye on trip progress and their ETA at the intended destination. A rear seat monitoring feature, called Cabin Watch, projects an image of rear seat passengers onto the main infotainment display. It's intended to be a handy way to keep tabs on he-started-it scenarios, but we found that young children were thrilled to see their own smiling faces on the screen. The eye rolls and glares don't arrive until they're older. Connected smartphones can be used to control the rear seat climate controls, send destinations to the in-dash navigation system, and upload songs to a rolling playlist. Combating device discharging are 3 USB ports, which is pretty stingy, and 4 power outlets, 3 12-volt and 1 110-volt. Those relegated to the third row get their own headphone jacks for the entertainment system, too. Honda's package of active safety measures includes automated emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assist. Impressively, the bundle of radar and camera-based technologies is standard on the $34,800 Odyssey X and above. Touring and Elite models also get parking sensors in the front and rear. The features work quite well, particularly the lane keeping assist function that wiggles the steering wheel to alert the driver to a possible lane departure just before it ever so slightly tugs the wheel to keep the Odyssey inside the intended lane. Many systems of this nature employ a far less subtle action that has us searching for the off button only a few minutes into our test drives. So what makes a minivan a minivan? Sliding doors and removable seats certainly play a role, but their unrivaled interior space and innovative technologies are an even bigger part of their appeal. The all-new Odyssey is Honda's playground for its latest and greatest ideas, and it still serves up exactly what families need. This top-spec Elite trim does one better, adding all of the things we want plus a few surprises. The evolution of the crossover hasn't rendered the minivan unnecessary yet, and with the Odyssey, Honda has a 3-row vehicle with a lot more real-world utility than most SUVs, including its own. Specifications: vehicle type, front engine, front-wheel drive, 8-passenger, 4-door van. Price as tested, $47,610, base price, $45,450. Engine type, SOC 24-valve V6, aluminum block and heads, direct fuel injection. Displacement, 212 cubic inches, 3,471 cc. Power, 280 horsepower at 6,000 revolutions per minute. Torque, 262 pounds-to-foot at 4,700 revolutions per minute. Transmission, 10-speed automatic with manual shifting mode. Thanks for watching.